This is not fair, yeah. Ranveer Singh is good. Oh, sorry, I mixed it up, no? I messed it up, sorry. It's Ranbir Kapoor. Feeling really awkward. रिश्ते में हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. नाम है शहंशाह. MJ. I would call him MJ. He's a wonderful dancer. I mean, all of us in South India, we have a lot of nicknames. Sudeep is, I would call him DTS. His voice is very unique. Digant, we call him Doodh Peda. He looks like, all of them call him Doodh Peda. He's fair, handsome, so we call him Doodh Peda. Darshan, what do we call him? He's massive, matlab, macho, yeah, you can call him macho. Upendra, brainy. Genius, we can call him genius. Bop of acting. Shah Rukh Khan is sharp, smart and sharp. Salman, again, he's bindas, dabang, disciplined. Farhan Akhtar, very creative and very passionate filmmaker. This is not fair, yeah. You know, it's all about balancing. I'll get a blockbuster and then blockbuster. Rajkumar Hirani. Oh, he's a wonderful maker and I love his scripts. It is very close to life. It's very realistic and very positive. It brings out a lot of happiness. It brings out a lot of realistic emotions in you. So it's very nice. I love his work. You never compete with anybody. It's always about your previous film and your this thing. It's all in just, you know, we live in an imaginary world where people say he's number one, he's number two. Nobody's number one here, nobody's number two here. Every Friday you have to prove again. No matter how big a star you are, if film is not good, it's going to bomb. It's going to, disappear in 2 days or 1 week at max. So there is no such thing called competition. Yes, of course, you will have to have that competitive spirit, but yet it all depends on your work. Ranveer Singh is good. Oh, sorry, I mixed it up, no? I messed it up, sorry. It's Ranbir Kapoor. And Ranveer Singh is also excellent. Both of them are really good. Sanju, I saw Sanju. He's done a wonderful job. And Khilji's role, Ranveer Singh has done an amazing job. Initially, I never used to like Ranveer Singh. But after this two films, Bansali's, not Padmavat, Bajirao Mastan and this Padmavat, I'm really admiring his work. She's my all-time favorite. I have to say that. See, you don't have favorites, yaar. See, everybody is good. You work with all of them.
You need to give me some name.
Amulya. Deepika, because she's from Bangalore. I like the attitude of people here. Matlab, they are just in their own world. They don't care much about others, is what I have sensed. I don't like, probably, sometimes I feel there are a lot of places where it looks really dirty. Matlab, it can be maintained in a better way is what I feel. There is two sides of this city. As an outsider, what I see is there are some very nice joints, a very nice place where it looks posh, and at the same time it looks very dirty and not well maintained. What टाइम हम जहाँ खड़े हो जाते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू होता है ना. That. It's difficult for us because we are not used to doing Hindi, this thing. Imitating them is difficult, but I'll try.
Yeah.
रिश्ते में हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं, नाम है शहनशाह. Right? Dialogue was okay. Hey Kiran, I love you Kiran. That's what he does. एक बार मैंने कमिटमेंट कर ली, उसके बाद मैं खुद की भी नहीं सुनता. Right? Feeling really awkward. Ambitious. No. Probably I should say insane will be a right word for me. Nickname. So you're thinking of something like a star? You're expecting that?
Something like that.
No, that's fine. Yeah, whatever I have is fine. That itself is funny. Yeah.